Hello everyone. If you're planning to sell your Honor X6E, fix software problems, or simply want to erase everything and start fresh, this video is exactly what you need. I'll show you 2 reliable ways to factory reset your Honor X6E, and one of them might save you if you can't unlock the phone. First, we'll go through the easiest method using the phone settings. This is the best option if your device is working normally and you have access to the system. Then I'll show you how to perform a hard reset using the hardware buttons. This method is useful if the phone is frozen, stuck on the logo, or you forgot the screen lock and can't get into the settings.